with my buddy Jacqueline 39. And sorry, recognize her from her YouTube channel, and she been in few of my videos. And let me put some. I'm probably gonna like pause the video if I need to change the music. So yeah, so let's get started with the adventure. Okay, I'm here. I got Jacqueline here with me, like I said before. So we're going to be doing the Spring Festival. So yay! And I'm probably going to commentate and lose my patience, like I did with the Lucky Clovers. If you guys watched that, and I didn't check how many views I got for that. I'll check later. Wait, let me check right now. Hi, Jacqueline. Oh, I need some new music. Hope I don't get copyrighted for this, or I'll get so mad if I do. Because I'm using Audio Library, and I heard that's a good source to use if you want music. You want to check every corner before you leave an area to make sure you didn't leave any eggs behind. Because trust me, you've seen how many eggs I left behind. Because you saw. And sorry if I'm not talking so much. I'm sorry, just trying to concentrate on the adventure. Because this is a long adventure. I don't like this music. Whatever. Please. If I went to a new section, it's fine. I got every egg there anyway. Wait, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. I don't think I got every egg. I don't know why I was beating myself. Oh, and these land kind the thing is, you can water them and you can get a golden. You spot the golden egg, and you can get bonus prizes from that, which I find really cool. Because you can get more prizes than what the eggs give you. I think this adventure was a little bit different last year. I don't remember. I know Lucky Clover Swirl, and I explained the difference in that video, but I don't think there's much of a difference in this adventure. I have to look that up, and I'll write it down in the description. I'll put a comment below if there is something different, because I don't think there is. I should have checked that before I started this video, shouldn't I? Yeah, but so. Oops, not this way. I didn't want to go this way. I wanted to go this way. Well, it really doesn't matter. Ooh, egg! Good thing I came. And I'll put the music on in a second. I can't have like 10-hour music. I was a baby. Not a baby, but a little kid.
Goodbye, baby.
People are gonna make fun of me.
When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks,
How about if you do 1 or 2 kids music and then I'll change.
will catch you, cradle and all. Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back, the cradle she swings. No baby.
Okay, I maybe so then choose this, but I'm doing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star next.
From the high rooftops down to the sea, no one's as dear as baby to me. Wee little fingers, eyes wide and bright, now sound asleep until morning light.
For those of you that are wondering, me and Jumping are not friends anymore. Somebody, if you're watching this, I hope you're happy. You made me very upset last night. And I am not going to forgive you. I'm not. I gave you way too many chances. Okay, let's put some new music on. Sorry if you don't like the children music. I just put these on for some kids that watching this video and want to hear some children music, because I loved hearing that when I was probably like 4. Oh, I'm so surprised. I am now 4 years. There's something so sarcastic. Shall I be so sarcastic? Okay, I'll stop. I missed the egg. Oh, and also there's something that's been bothering me about this. I think I might have bought it in my Lucky Clovers adventure, but I am not 100% sure, but I'll bring it up again in case I didn't. So, I think I did. Well, I'll bring it up again since it's more relevant in this video. So, if you guys played Armor Jam in 2013, if you guys played Armor Jam in 2014, not 13, then you guys would remember the Egg Hunt. The Egg Hunt is basically where, for those of you that have not been on Armor Jam in 2013, the Egg Hunt is where the Armor Jam will hide a bunch of eggs around your mall, and you will have to find the eggs, and once you find all the eggs, you get a statue of a golden egg. It's a way cool concept, and I wish they would bring it back, but AJ replaced that Egg Hunt with this adventure, the Spring Festival, which I like this adventure because it gets you into the spring spirit. You're looking for eggs, and yeah. And for those of you that don't know, Easter is this Sunday, which I did not know. I thought it was in April, but it's not. It's this Sunday. For those of you that think I'm making that up, look it up. I'm sure it's on there. And let's say 20. No, that's too short. Under 30 minutes. No. Under 25 minutes without editing, with editing it. No. Yeah, without editing it. Let's see if I will be up to that challenge. Most likely I won't, but we'll see next year. And the sound for this adventure is, can Bunny Goat 12 complete this adventure? Yeah, because I never completed this adventure. I completed Lucky Clovers, but that was 50 keys. This is 100 eggs. I don't know if I can complete it. But I'll try. Because you should never give up. Oh, I want... Wait, I don't have my map up. I'm so evil. I am so evil. I'm such a bad friend. Okay, let's go down here, cause this is one of the two places I know it did not explore. And did I miss an egg up here? No, I didn't. Sorry, I'm being late, Claudia. I know, I'm sorry. Guessing game. We're doing the guessing game. say YouTube anymore. We were allowed to say YouTube back in 2013. I'm not even kidding, guys. We were allowed to say YouTube in 2013. And we were allowed to say Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate from AJ if they're watching this. And then he's a bad role model. I'm sorry. This been so long, I'm about to give up. And I think this is going to go over the time limit. Well, I could record over 15 minutes, but still, it's probably long. I don't want to make videos long always, but I promise I won't make any more videos long besides the adventures and maybe my movies. Depends. It depends. And by the way, the bullying story, it's going to come out soon. I just need one more member, 1 or 2 more members, and then we will be set. Oh, there you are, little egg. Auntie now sounds like something. And Jacqueline left. How sad. 1 second, guys. I'll be. Because I gave up. It's too hard for me. I'm probably just going to do the last session, but after that, that's it. I'm sorry, guys. I tried, but I cannot handle the pressure of this adventure. It's too hard for me. It's not like a recording or something. I need to get that. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, but we're probably going to have to cut some of the footage of me collecting the eggs because my mom called my real name. And I don't want anyone to hear my real name. So yeah. Okay guys, that's it. I give up. This dungeon is too hard. Oh wait, I found an egg. 97. $98. 99. Okay guys, I'm back and I have some bad news. I cannot find 100 egg. So I looked everywhere. I looked in all the corners. I think there's one corner that I didn't check, but after that, that's all I checked. I don't know if I'm missing something or if AJ hid the egg really well, or I'm missing something kind of obvious. I don't know what it is, but this is the closest I ever got, and I feel so ashamed to hand with 99 eggs when I was only one away from getting the prize for this. No, I already checked this. Okay, let's leave. Don't send me messages when I'm doing a video or when I'm on a video. I tell you so many times. Why don't you listen? Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!